Okay, we honestly could not stop laughing while watching that clip, and we are pretty sure you will be cracking up as well. This is a Russian robot, and it genuinely walks around like a confused drunk guy being guided straight to the police station. But then, compare that messy movement to the Tesla bot showing up on stage at the recent 2025 shareholder meeting. It was actually dancing with Elon Musk, showing some surprisingly clean, smooth, and almost professional dance steps. We mean seriously, the dancing looked way better than before. However, the robots performing on stage were still only the 2.5 experimental versions, not the final product. The true retail model will be the Optimus Generation 3, which Tesla plans to launch in the first quarter of next year. This will be Tesla's first ever commercial humanoid robot, designed to look about 70% like an actual human being. Elon Musk even described it by saying that when you see Optimus 3, it will feel almost like a real person wearing a robot costume. When you look at it, you will probably think someone is inside it pretending to be a robot. That is how Tesla originally began the Optimus project in the first place. Elon Musk explained that the Tesla bot Generation 3 will start with about 1,500 useful tasks and eventually increase to around 3,000 tasks through continuing software updates. But what many people are really discussing is the Optimus Generation 4 because it will be a higher-level version with far more advanced features, nearly double the intelligence of Generation 3. The total number of tasks will increase to around 5,000, and there is even talk that it could evolve into a surgical robot someday with accuracy extremely close to absolute precision. At the shareholder meeting, Elon Musk clearly stated that in the near future, delicate surgeries will be performed by robots like Optimus rather than human hands. Optimus Generation 4 is expected to begin production around 2027, and Optimus Generation 5 will follow in 2028. Musk described this as an annual release cycle where each version receives substantial upgrades. According to him, Optimus will ultimately surpass the best human surgeon in precision, achieving a level of accuracy that humans simply cannot reach. But remember, Optimus Gen 4 is scheduled for 2027, while Optimus Gen 3 is arriving next year. So now everyone wants to know the same thing. What is the official price? Will the Tesla bot genuinely cook, wash dishes, or tidy up our homes? And why did Elon Musk refer to it as a true homemaker? Here is everything you should know about the latest Tesla bot updates. Do you personally think robots can truly replace human jobs? Just last month, Elon Musk posted on X that artificial intelligence and robots will eventually take over all jobs. Working will become optional, like planting your own vegetables even though you could just buy them. That statement honestly made us think deeply. We feel a strange mix of nervousness and excitement at the same time. Recently, humanoid robots have been appearing from China, the United States, and multiple European countries, but most still look mechanical and clumsy, performing awkward actions that make people laugh. Meanwhile, the Tesla bot continues to attract serious attention because it is possibly the most balanced humanoid robot in terms of design, movement, and hand skill. We are not claiming Tesla bot is currently the #1 robot, but it has definitely become the most talked about one after the 2025 Tesla shareholder meeting. Elon Musk made some very bold announcements about Optimus. He strongly believes Optimus will be the biggest breakthrough in modern history, because each robot can work non-stop without needing breaks and can create an economic environment where humans no longer need to work to survive. Tesla's plan is to mass-produce this robot on a gigantic scale, making it even more common than the mobile phone. Musk said the size of the Optimus project will be absolutely massive. He believes it will become the largest product ever created, much bigger than smartphones or anything else. He even emphasized that Optimus will be the only realistic method to eliminate global poverty and inequality. Optimus will dramatically improve medical care and create a world where everyone has access to support. We all know Tesla introduced the very first concept version of Optimus back in 2021, but it did not receive much excitement because it had not yet demonstrated real task ability. The early prototypes looked bulky, slow, and not very impressive. But everything changed when Tesla developed the Optimus 2.5 platform. By 2025, people were honestly shocked by its progress. Over the past few years, Tesla quietly rebuilt Optimus from the inside out. The sluggish and robotic movements from 2021 and 2022 completely disappeared. The current Optimus demonstrates extremely coordinated mechanical design and artificial intelligence programming. Every step is deliberate, balanced, and smooth. Leaked clips show that Optimus 2.5 can walk confidently, balance itself when pushed, perform delicate finger movements, sort small objects, and even learn new actions through artificial intelligence simulation. The Tesla bot has also displayed impressive improvements in simple household tasks, strengthening its image as a future home assistant. It can vacuum floors, take out trash, wipe kitchen counters, stir pots, and handle objects with increased precision. Recent demonstrations showed it serving popcorn at a Tesla dinner event, handing out candy during Halloween, and performing a range of similar tasks. But keep in mind, all of these abilities come from the 2.5 experimental model. So imagine how extraordinary the higher generation models will be. As we mentioned earlier, Optimus Generation 3 is coming next year, and it will not resemble a typical robot. It will be so detailed and refined that it will actually look like a real person wearing a robotic costume. Elon Musk said people will feel compelled to poke it to confirm whether it is a robot or a human. This suggests a very high level of realism with nearly invisible wiring, hidden joints, and a beautifully finished exterior. Musk also hinted that its physical movement will be incredibly natural, smooth, and almost indistinguishable from a human. Rumors also suggest that Tesla Bot 3 will include a digital face display using an OLED panel along with Grok voice capability and highly advanced human-like hands. Elon Musk stated that Optimus could eventually reach 5 times the productivity of an average human worker because it can function 24 hours with no breaks. It does not even need downtime if it is used with a power tether, meaning it can keep operating around the clock in industrial settings. Tesla has been testing Optimus in a mock factory environment, performing precision tasks like picking and releasing small parts, organizing trays, and assembling intricate components. Several engineers admitted that they assigned Optimus tasks that new human workers struggled with, but the robot executed them flawlessly, leaving everyone stunned. Meanwhile, early information about Tesla Optimus Generation 4 suggests that Tesla will focus on internal engineering improvements rather than external redesign. The outer appearance may look identical to Generation 3, but internal upgrades will make it significantly more capable. For instance, the operational time will almost double from around 7 hours to nearly 12 hours. This is crucial for workplaces where long continuous operation is required. Additionally, Generation 4 will walk noticeably faster, making it more efficient in tasks needing both speed and high accuracy. The hand dexterity will also improve dramatically, enabling it to perform delicate tasks such as assembling micro-components or opening containers. While Generation 3 might be able to fetch a drink from the refrigerator, Generation 4 will open the bottle and pour it for you. These upgrades mean the price of Optimus 4 will likely be $20,000 higher than the Generation 3 version, which is understandable considering the advanced functions it will offer. Musk also made an astonishing prediction. Once Tesla produces more than 1 million robots per year, the price per unit could fall to around $20,000. If that happens, it may trigger a true robotics revolution. Affordable Optimus units could become normal in homes, stores, hospitals, warehouses, restaurants, schools, elder care facilities, and much more. Musk also described Tesla's plan to build a production line capable of manufacturing 1 million robots annually at Fremont, then scaling to 10 million per year, then 100 million, and someday even producing up to 1 billion robots per year on Mars. It sounds unbelievable, but Musk says Tesla is preparing for the fastest manufacturing expansion ever attempted for a complex machine. In his trademark humorous style, he even joked that instead of sending criminals to prison, we could give them an Optimus robot to supervise them. But behind the joke lies Musk's genuine vision of using robots for safe, humane, high-tech monitoring. While investors remain cautious, Musk insists this is not science fiction anymore. Tesla is already testing fully autonomous Optimus robots inside its offices, where they walk continuously, charge themselves, and perform tasks without human oversight. This is no longer a prototype fantasy. It is the beginning of real mass automation. But along with these possibilities come serious challenges. Producing millions of robots demands vast amounts of components, sensors, actuators, chips, secure software, and strict cost efficiency. Even if a robot eventually replaces a doctor, it will also raise difficult questions about ethics, privacy, and jobs. Tesla must prove that Optimus is safe, morally responsible, and built to assist humanity rather than harm it. Musk repeatedly emphasized that Tesla must manufacture almost every crucial part in-house to maintain total control over reliability and safety. Ensuring safety is the biggest concern surrounding the Optimus project. Musk has warned again and again about the danger of advanced robots being misused. Optimus is not simply a machine. It is a humanoid artificial intelligence system capable of interpreting real-world environments and interacting closely with humans. This complexity also makes it vulnerable to hacking in today's cyber threat landscape. If a hacker gained control over a robot's sensors or decision system, the consequences could be extremely dangerous. Imagine thousands of Optimus robots working in workplaces or homes. A single software weakness could let a malicious party hijack robot behavior. Tesla is therefore building deep security layers including encrypted data, live monitoring, AI firewalls, and automatic emergency shutdown features that activate if suspicious behavior is detected. Tesla also plans to implement secure remote override systems so humans can control a robot the moment something seems off. But the challenge becomes even more complicated because Optimus uses machine learning, meaning it can adapt and change behavior. Tesla must ensure it does not learn dangerous actions or get manipulated during learning. As Musk said, Optimus must be 100% safe before being sold to the public. That is Tesla's responsibility to the world. Many people still compare Boston Dynamics Atlas with Optimus, but these two robots have completely different purposes. Atlas focuses on acrobatic demonstrations and agility research, using advanced sensors to perform jumps, flips, and extreme balancing. It is incredibly fast and responsive but not designed for everyday household or factory tasks. Optimus, in contrast, aims to be a cost-efficient practical worker for daily activities. It can fold clothes, sort objects, carry things, and work continuously. Tesla's objective is mass production, not flashy demonstrations. These differences reveal two separate directions in the humanoid robot industry. One direction focuses on extreme athletic performance, while the other emphasizes affordability and practical functionality. Optimus follows the second path. XPeng has also stepped into the humanoid robot competition with its Iron Robot, which has a more feminine appearance. XPeng plans to begin mass production around 2026 using its own solid-state batteries and custom Turing artificial intelligence chips. Their CEO even predicted that the number of robots they sell in the next decade will exceed their total vehicle sales. The humanoid robot race is heating up rapidly, just like the electric vehicle market did a few years ago. As we mentioned at the start, Elon Musk's statement that robots and artificial intelligence will replace all jobs brings mixed emotions. On one hand, many simple jobs could be replaced by Optimus, causing people to worry about losing income. On the other hand, Optimus could ease our daily workloads, especially on weekends when we are occupied with chores. Maybe Optimus will help us finish all the boring tasks. But the truth is, even with all the impressive demonstrations, Tesla Bot is still at a prototype stage. It can walk, bend, lift lightweight objects, and perform simple actions, but it is far from replacing full human labor. We must wait for Tesla's next stages of development. Goodbye, and we will meet you in the next video.